So my background is in food production. I've had 20 years experience within food manufacturing. I started my life on production. From there, I went over to a different factory where I was running an area on production, and then I moved into technical. So from a technical perspective, obviously you've got all the codes of practice that you have to adhere to with coding and labelling. So I got quite a rounded knowledge really of food manufacturing, production, technical, and the constraints that you have to work to. So my job is to go out and train the system, and that involves going through how to set it up, how to program it. On an annual basis, if they have refresher training, we'll go back there, show them what the system can do now, and there's more it can do to help them. It can remove paperwork out of the system, which to a business is a cost saving, because from a compliance point of view, you have to keep that paperwork normally for the duration of the product, but in some instances they keep it for between 5 and 7 years. And whilst I train out the system, I will also inform them of any other benefits or any other packages that we have or bolt-ons to the system. So for example, the OEE, April I. Obviously having a contract in place is a benefit, because again you have a health check audit on an annual basis as part of that contract, which to businesses it's of benefit. Sometimes things break and people forget to fix them, etc. But going and doing that health, we make sure that system is functioning year in and year out.